In this video, we'll cover how to embed Echo360 content into your Canvas course. First, navigate to the module that you would like to embed your Echo360 content into. Click the plus icon in the top right corner of the module. In the Add Item menu that appears, click on the Add drop-down menu, then select the External Tool option. Scroll through the list until you see the Echo Video Deep Link option, then click on it. A dialog box will appear, prompting you to select either existing media from your Echo360 library, record new Echo360 media to embed, or upload media to Echo360 to embed. In this instance, we'll be choosing existing media from our library. You will be brought to a page prompting you to choose the Echo360 media that you would like to embed. You can search for existing content in your library by name, by filter, or by scrolling through the list. Once you have found your desired media, click on it to select it, then click the Next button in the bottom right corner. You will be taken to a screen where you can choose additional settings for your video if desired. Once your preferences are set, click the Embed button in the bottom right corner. If you wish to change the name of your embedded media after selecting it, you can make your edits in the page name area of the dialog box. Lastly, click the Add Item button in the bottom right corner of the dialog box. Your video has now been successfully embedded into your Canvas course.